Welcome to the Brothers Breakfast Show.
Oh yeah.
Today I'm gonna make my world famous honey waffle.
And today I'm going to make my Sunnah strength omelet.
Mine is faster.
Mine's healthier.
We'll just see about that.
Hi.
First step, crack the egg.
First step, put the waffle in the toaster and then press the lever. Easy,
Easy doesn't always mean better.
Bruh.
but makes the breakfast faster.
Yeah. Wow.
Whisk the egg until smooth and don't forget to say Bismillah before cooking.
I said Bismillah too. I'm doing sabr until it pops. Patience is sunnah, right?
But maybe do something useful while you wait.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
A pinch of salt while whisking and put it in on a low heat so then it doesn't burn.
Prophet said honey has healing power, so basically I'm a doctor now.
Flip it. I nailed it. It's not perfect, but say Alhamdulillah.
It's perfect, alhamdulillah. Yours looks good, but you need honey.
Yours looks good too, but you need protein. Whether it's omelet or waffle, you always have to say Bismillah at the start, and you always have to say Alhamdulillah at the end. And don't forget to eat with your right hand.
Nice.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. We the Musty Kids! Allah Hafiz!
See you next time!